Hey y'all, today we're gonna make some pizza smash burgers on the flat stone. Put a little oil down, give it a quick spread. We got one Italian sausage ball we're putting down, about 4.5 ounces, and one 4.5 ounce hamburger ball. Cover these guys back up, we're gonna get these smashed. I just have a piece of parchment paper, my burger smasher. Give it a nice even smash here. We want to get a really good crust on the bottom of these. Pull this guy off. Just like so. Now for this pizza burger, we're going to hit it with some Parmesan garlic seasoning by Heath Riles and some of the everyday rub. And we also got some of Malcom's Italian Stallion. You'll be able to find both these in a link at the below. First of all, we're going to use this everyday rub. We're going to let this get good and crispy on that side and give them a flip. Okay, we're going to give these guys a quick foot. Oh yeah. You got some crustification on there. Now we're going to hit them with a little bit more of that everyday rub. Let these cook for a couple seconds and we're going to put our sauce on. Okay, so the next step on these pizza smash burgers, we're going to put a little sauce. If you want to buy jarred pizza sauce, you can. This was ours. We just ground up some whole tomatoes. It's what we usually use on our homemade pizzas. We're going to put that on. So we're going in with sliced provolone on each. We're going to put some of that mozz on there. Figure the pizza burger, right? You got to add pepperoni. Now we're going to add some of that Heath Riles Parmesan garlic seasoning. Right to the top of there. Some of that Malcom's Italian Stallion. I'll get these just a little bit closer. We're going to cover them. We're going to go ahead and put a lid on these. Just going to put a little bit of water in there. Let that steam real good. Then we got a buttered roll we're going to use. We're going to set these over here off the side. Get that nice and toasted. Ooh, yeah. So that was about 2 minutes. See how our buns are looking here. A couple more minutes on these. We're going to go ahead and scoop this guy up. Stack him up, baby. Pull these off. I put just a little bit more of this sauce on there. And the same to the other guy. These guys off there. So, okay, y'all, this was really simple. We took a patty of sausage, Italian sausage, a patty of hamburger, smashed them down, added some everyday rub by Heath Riles, put some cheese on it, some sauce, and then we added the Italian Stallion and the garlic Parmesan by Heath Riles, added a couple pepperonis, and a toasted roll. Let's cut it open and see what we got. Look at that. Woo, doggy. That is hot. Got some cheese pool there. You have to go in for that bite. Whew. But that bread acts as your crust on a pizza. This is like a meat lover's pizza in a bun. Y'all need to check this recipe out. Hit that like and subscribe. Get you some of that. The bun fell off.